Hi, Math 7A folks. Happy Mathematical Monday, and to do that, we're going to learn about the interior angles of a triangle. Go ahead and take your notebook out, and let's get started. Oh, and your homework today is going to be IXL Math 8, 0.7. All right, interior angles of a triangle. First, let's start with a little workout. So you know how I told you all to go ahead and make sure that you were using equations when you did all of these different angle measurements. Here's why. So when you have something more complex like this, that you know what to do. So it says find the value of Q, angle STU, and angle STV. So first let's take a look at angle STU and also angle STV and come up with what their relationship is. Okay, so if you said supplementary, you are right. And supplementary angles add up to 180. And this is why I wanted you to practice writing equations like that, so that when you get to something more complex like this, you know that you're just going to add up those two angle measurements and set them equal to 180. So the first angle measurement is 3Q. The second one is 15Q plus 18. And they are going to equal 180. Boom. Just like that, you have your equation. Go ahead and solve it. 18Q plus 18 equals 180. Subtract 18. 18Q equals, what is that coming out to? It's a 7, that's a 1, that's a 2, that's a 6, 162. Divided by 18, divided by 18. Q equals, what does that come out to? Let's see. Let's hope it comes out with something even, or I'm going to do this again. Okay, so 162 divided by 18 equals 9. Okay, and so now the angle measurement for angle STU is going to be equal 3Q, which is equal to 3 times, now we know Q is 9, 3 times 9, so that one's 27 degrees. And angle STV is equal to 15Q plus 18, so that's 15 times 9 plus 18, so that's what, let's see, 30, 60, 90, 120, 135? 135 plus 18, which is 3, carry the 1, 153. And I can check those as 27 plus 153, 180. Yes, it is. So then you get your two angle measurements and you solve for Q. Okay, so again, pay attention to making sure that you're making equations even for the simple ones. All right, here's your EQ for today. What's the sum of the 3 interior angles of any triangle? Okay, interior angles are angles inside the shape. So we have angles 1, 2, and 3. Those are not angle measurements. Angle 1 is representing this angle here, how many degrees that's open. Angle 2 is representing this angle here, how many degrees this is open. And angle 3 is this angle here, how many degrees that angle is open. Okay, so those are all your interior angles. Every triangle has 3 interior angles. Triangle, that's where it comes from, 3 angles. Okay, you're going to do a little explore activity. If you haven't done it already, go watch the other video with the explore activity and glue what you made right here. And then, so pause it if you didn't do it already and go do it. Okay, now that we're back, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So if you have angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it's always going to equal 180 degrees. All right, let's use that to find X. So we have the 3 interior angles of a triangle. We're going to add them up. So X plus 37 plus 78 equals 180. It's that relationship that gives us the equation. So we get X plus, let's see, 15 plus 115 equals 180. Subtract your 115. we get x equals, that's 65. Okay, and you can always test it to see, if you had 37 plus 78 plus 65, it should come out to 180. And that's degrees. Okay, next one. So we only have one angle given to us, but really this one's given to us as well because it has this little mark, and that tells us that this angle is 90 degrees. So we know the three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 90 plus 32 plus the unknown third angle is going to be equal to 180. Did I say 190? I meant 180. 180. All right, so let's add these up. That's going to give us 122 plus x equals 180. Subtract 122. So we have x equals, let's see, that's 8. That's 5 equals 58. So x is 58 degrees. That is our third angle. Okay, so again, use that same idea. You still have three angles of the triangle. You're going to add them up and to find not only the value of x, but also the angle measurements. So if we add up x plus 10, which is angle B, plus 2x plus 20, which is angle A, plus 2x minus 5, which is angle C, that's all going to come out to 180 degrees. Combine the like terms. So we've got x and 2x and another 2x makes 5x. Oops, oh, why am I putting an equal there? Sorry. Oop. And then we have 10 and 20, that makes 30. 30 minus 5, that's going to be plus 25, equals 180. Subtract the 25. We get 5x equals, that's 7. There's a 1 there. That's going to be 5. That's also 5. And that's 1. Divide by 5. And x equals 31. So if x is 31, then angle A is going to be equal to 2x plus 20, which is equal to 2 times 31 plus 20, which is equal to 62 plus 20, which equals 82 degrees. Angle B, right here, is equal to x plus 10, so that's equal to 31 plus 10, so that's equal to 41. Angle C is equal to 2x minus 5, so that's equal to 2 times 31 minus 5, so that's equal to 62 minus 5, which is equal to 57 degrees. Okay. Go ahead and try this one, and then you can check back in just a minute. Obviously, this is 90 degrees. Okay, now that you're checking back, we have 90 plus 2x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5, and it all equals 180. Let's combine the like terms. 2x plus 5x makes 7x. 90 plus 1 is 91, plus another 5 is 96. Subtract your 96. You get 7x is equal to, what's that going to be, 84? Divide by 7, you get x is equal to 12. So now let's find out what the angles are. Okay, we already know angle L is 90. Let's do angle M. That's equal to 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 12 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25 degrees for angle M. For angle N, down here, that's 5x plus 5, so that's equal to 5 times 12 plus 5. So that's 60 plus 5, which equals 65 degrees. So 25 plus 65 plus 90 all equal 180. Okay, you've got your essential question here. Make sure you submit